let me talk a little bit about how I see Google and NetApp fitting together. As I mentioned, I worked at NetApp for many years, and no one knows better than I the importance of NetApp to your IT infrastructure and your business processes. You have significant investment in applications, in the integration of those applications with your IT infrastructure. And as you look at migrating workloads to the cloud and leveraging the cloud, one of the things that is extremely important to you is doing it in a way that is familiar with low risk and minimizes change so that you can get up and running in the cloud quickly, make use of familiar concepts, and not break any of your applications. And that's where Google Cloud, NetApp's Cloud Volumes for Google Cloud comes in.
Agreed. So, hey, Rich, we talked earlier about some of the use cases. I think file services is an obvious one, but maybe talk a little bit about the opportunity for enterprise apps. I think a lot of attention around things like SAP HANA, for example, and maybe even analytics going forward, the opportunity to leverage this technology there.
Well, I think we're early in the integrations here, I think. We're excited about continuing to roll out the service and get more coverage of the service throughout the Google Cloud sites. And I think from an application perspective, there's a few really key things. Containers, and as customers adopt containers, whether they do it hybrid, they're going to have file data on-premise, and they're going to have file data in the cloud, and they're going to want their container-based applications to be able to move back and forth. Things like NetApp, SnapMirror will be critical, and support for that at some point with Cloud Volumes will be a key enabler. SAP is another big use case for us where customers are bringing their SAP workloads to the cloud. And having NetApp and NetApp's offerings where SAP HANA and NetApp work well together on-premise today, and having that extended into GCP and the Cloud Volumes offering is extremely exciting to us.
Yep.
So I think those are the big areas. I want to highlight one quick fact about the importance and how seriously we take this partnership. If you go to the Google booth, you'll see a demo of Cloud Volumes. We're currently running a contest to see who can configure NetApp Cloud Volumes the fastest in their Google Cloud project.
What's the leading number right now?
So Spencer Sells had it for a while. He's a product manager. It was 30 seconds. And then I heard last night at dinner that some folks have gotten really into it, and they're able to spin this thing up and get it connected in 5.5 seconds is the best time. So we've totally integrated this thing. If you don't believe me, go see for yourself. All right?
Great.
Thank you very much.